assigned to your team. So the team must be ready in the whole picture ASR 2, 3, 4 ongoing simultaneously. Sometimes they may be asked you to do an ASR level 3 and sometimes they may be asked you to do an ASR level 4. So it's a random process. One must not be sticking to a particular segment. So I will call Mr. Takashi again to brief about the ASR level 5 on the basis of the Japan team in the Tokyo.
So as I said, the SR 2, 3, 4 not linear. And so sometimes we are asked to do at the same time SR 2, 3, 4, and then sometimes the SR2 and skip to the SR4 and back to the SR2. So we need to have the flexibility about the order of the SR2, 3, 4. Actually, so the Japan is already report to the Turkey in 2023, and we are required to do with the flexibility for the diversity activity. So I will touch on the case, kind of the case study. So just after arriving at the Turkey, we are just asked to do is to be starting activities at the collapse with the building and as per the local emergency management authorities request on the where we recovered victims. Then we moved to the second work site where we implement the SR4 level such as respiration. Again, we recovered two victims. So once finished the second work site, so we started rolling around the city center for the assessment. This one is reading, so the SR2 level, so the activities. We are so moving around the city center and checking the building, so contacting the local, checking if they need to be done. Then we finally found the collapse in the building, which needs our help. And then we started these full-scale search and rescue activities at the SR4 together with the local team, local Turkish team, where we also did recover these two victims. Then firstly the SR3 and the level up to the SR4. That's going back down to the level to the SR2. And then so the gear up to the SR2. These are needed for the especially in the large scale so the area like Turkey and the Syria from the earthquake.
Ini ada buka
So,
website baru. Dia ada buka website baru. Dia sampai kita tak nampak ni. Dia nak buat assessment kan. Ada dapat job. Injection. Tapi kalau dia fashion kita digital lema ni.
So we achieve must be able to manage and linear timeline, and we need to have the preparation for what we are assigned from the coordinator or the sector coordinator, sometimes the local emergency. Then we must keep in mind the flexibility is the third part when establishing the relative mechanism during disaster, so not necessarily stick to the one operation. Just we are now not appropriate. So next to the last step, fourth step, the total coverage search and rescue. That is the holding the SR5 in the This one is the operation for the recovery disease after the search and rescue phase with the possibility for the rescuing the patients.
5D, 6D ya.
At this stage,
Dia
international
mana?
teams usually not engage in what they sometimes is asked for the dilemma due to the
Mau menggerakkan.
Of course,
Dia kayak
each
punya
team well
Saya tak ada
has
handphone.
their own decision making.
Tak ada. Saya automatic.
They accept each they must be requested for doing this file.
Itu dah mesej pada dia contoh.
And when so the accepting is the request of the file, this operation should be the quickly clear so that relatively large area for the kind of large scale the flat or the substation should be the target for the SD file. And in this stage, so the heavy machine is usually needed. So you need to make the communication with the local construction, the company, or something. So lastly, so for detail about the instruction, so you need to access to the insert guideline 2020 volume 2. That is the title of the different
Saya cakapkan tu kan.
the taxonomy is especially in the chapter 5.5 user condition method, 5.6 is achieve identification code, 5.7 assessment search and rescue level, and 5 and 8 was realized.
Kalau ada niat nak ni begitu awal negara tahun kedua ya sekarang sudah boleh dah. Sekarang.
Okay, thank you. Everything. So, I wish you did the exercise.